Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner for the week of September 19th through the 21st. Oh, September 19th through the 25th. I'm losing my mind, you guys. And I'm going to be creating kind of like this wave. You will see what I'm talking about once I start, but I pulled out some stickers and pulled out like all of my summer and fall books, and there's all of these little items that I don't use as much as I should or as I would like to, right? Because it's so hard to finish a book when you don't use all the pieces. So I'm just minimizing the white lines right now. This is my catch-all, so it is Beauty in Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate that, and I love spending time with you too. If you are not subscribed already to my channel, please do so. That helps me quite a bit. But here we go. I'm gonna start. So I pulled out some summer items from the summer book, and I'm going to go ahead and make all of these summer items, and they're gonna go right from the sidebar all the way to the 21st. No, the 21st I'm gonna start putting in some fall. So that's how it's gonna go, but I'm using a whole bunch of different summer books, and I think that's kind of fun to use up those little things. So this one is a seasonal that I'm using, and so is the other one. I think both of them are seasonal. Sticker book, the one I just pulled out was orange, so bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and do my best to fill those in, and now I'm just opening up all the full books. But we're gonna put some rainbow, like the warm rainbow, right? We're gonna put all of these things that I normally wouldn't use. So more watermelon, and then I'm gonna fill in all of these spaces with stars up here. Okay, big sun for the summer, that makes sense, right? I just wanted something different, and I thought this might be fun. I'm not sure if you guys have ever done anything like that, but try it. It does take a lot of time. I mean, I'm obviously doing a voiceover on this video, but I think it took me a little over maybe an hour, hour 20 to do all of this. So you will see, but I love the effect. Like, I love how it looks, and I love how fun it is and what it represents. Even though it is a lot of work, if you like to plan and you have a little bit of extra time, this is a fun one to do. Okay, and then you get to use up all of your stickers that you normally wouldn't use. And for me, I have so many stickers that it doesn't really matter, because I will probably never run out till the end of my days, but we shall see. Okay, so there's that. So that was the seasonal type, and that's what I used, and I'm gonna go ahead and use some seasonal type in the fall section as well. So I think that's that leaf will be a nice way to finish. I'm gonna add a mushroom and a leaf, and I'm just gonna play with these, like so, pumpkins. So these are all the seasonal, so like the fall, the seasonal type, some seasonal books. So all of this is from the same books. We're gonna add more mushrooms because those are so fun, and I always do think about fall when I see those. We're gonna add some browns and oranges, so a transition, and I think that's gonna be quite lovely. There we go, like that. And then I'm going to be erasing my pencil lines the minute I'm done, but for right now I needed boundaries to see where I'm going. but you will see what I mean when I'm done. It looks so fun. And I get to use up all of these little trinkets that, like I said, I don't know if or when I would use them, so that's kind of fun. Okay, we have some fall items. So gathering all of these stickers took a while because less is more, but more is more in this case. So normally my spreads are full but not too full where they're still functional. With this one, they're definitely full. But I still left room to write, you guys. Look at that. So I'm going to be adding some boxes as always to make sure that I can write all of my stuff in. But this wave is just so cute. I love it. Okay, let's add a little mushroom. I'm gonna move this pumpkin just a tiny bit so I can put another mushroom right here. Okay. I think that's good. And let's go ahead and add another leaf. And a gold one. And then I'm gonna see if I have any other little ones that I can add. So this is from the seasonal, the orange one. They have these beautiful leaves in them, so that's what I ended up using. And now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the line. Like so. And then same thing here. I'm gonna just remove the line really quick with my favorite eraser. And there we go. Yep, that's already much better. I'm gonna fix it even more later. Because the clear stickers are showing lines, so I'm gonna have to lift them slightly and then remove lines and go from there. But I thought this was kind of a fun, whimsical way to start the fall in my catch-all planner, which obviously I use the most out of all of my planners. Okay, so I think I want to use these big boxes. This is for the big because it is a teacher sticker book. And I'm going to put them upside down so this bigger section is up, and then I can make to-do lists in those because they are quite large. Those of you who use big ones, you guys are so lucky. You have so much more room to write in after doing something like this, and you could even make the wave even bigger. But I carry my planner everywhere with me, and it literally goes to work with me every single day. And big one, I feel like it would be way too much if I had to do that. So that's not happening. I'm gonna pull out the blue, make it straighter, like so. Okay, I think that looks decent. And now I have to add another set of boxes for myself to keep my work schedule. So let's see what I can come up with there, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let's take a look. And then I am thinking of adding additional checklists. So give me a moment and we'll go ahead and do that. So I will do that and then maybe just cut it so it doesn't overlap because I want that wave to be nice and beautiful. So like so. What do you guys think about that? I think that could work. Let's see if I can put this in a couple more places. So now I'm gonna have a lot to do on Friday. I usually do something. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and add this orange one to here. And then the yellow one to Saturday. And maybe I can add like one more to do on a Sunday up here. Let's see. I think that will work, and I'll put it like that and then cut it up. Okay, yep, I think that looks much better already. Excuse me. The only thing left is to put the longer boxes for my work schedule that I saw in the seasonal type, and this will be all done. I think this is such a fun spread. Let me know, you guys, what you think, and let me know if you ever attempted something like this, because these are kind of fun to do. So I'm removing the lines and then putting them down. But I think these transfer down to stickers, so there's not much I can do. Okay, so next time I will know to do, like, maybe draw this and then erase it just so I have a faint line. But this is my first time doing something like this, so that was fun. Now I'm gonna take these long boxes and put them down for a work schedule, and I think I'm pretty much done with the spread, but give me 1 second. So I don't know if you guys use these long ones too, but that's a box in a big one. Look how much bigger the boxes are in a big one. So I'm just using this as a work schedule, and it will be nice because it will fit in a one line type of situation here. And I am kind of spreading them out according to color. And I have to do this straighter. It's gonna drive me nuts. Yeah, that's better. Then Friday, so we're gonna do one right there. And then I still need a schedule for Wednesday, so I think I'm gonna overlap kind of like that. And that's it, that's all I had. I hope you guys had fun, and thanks for watching. I'll see you soon for another pen with me. Bye!